Hi all, this is Kezia from Tiju Sir Academy. So today I would like to give you 6 strategies to crack your OET reading. Number 1. Create a mindset of curiosity, like how a child solves his puzzle. So this curiosity will be a door from your question to your answer. Number 2. Ask question to yourself. The question is, why am I going to read this part A or part B? So this question would be helpful for you to get back to your track when you feel down. Number 3. Follow the right method at the right time. Since it is a time-bounded exam, it is important for you to defeat the question and not the passage. If you want to defeat the question, please try to understand what is actually lacking there. So this will be easier to get back to your answers. Number 4. Increase your vocabulary daily. So this will help you in your exam day. Number 5. Look for the main verb, auxiliary verb, and if it is in positive or negative. So this will help you to understand what is actually the question, passage, and the options are conveying. Last but not the least, that is break reading. From the word itself, break and read. When you break read a sentence, please try to look for any sort of punctuations like comma, semicolon, and the contrast words like but, however, nevertheless, and so on. I hope this video is useful for you, and we will talk more about this on next video. Till then, bye.